In this video, I'm going to show you a guide or step-by-step through how to use Hello Bonsai CRM. So if you're a freelancer or small business owner looking for an all-in-one platform to manage client relationships, contracts, invoicing, and time tracking, Hello Bonsai is a top choice. So this tutorial will cover the benefits of using Hello Bonsai, walk through its key features, and provide actionable steps to help you get started. So let's get started. So first, when you create an account or log into your account in Hello Bonsai, you'll be greeted by this dashboard that looks like this. So if you just created your account, you will see here a step-by-step task to do to get started with Hello Bonsai. So as you can see, the first thing that you want to do is add your company details, invite your team, create a project, create a task, and add a time entry. So before we get started in doing that, let's first look at what the dashboard will be for us. So as you can see, when you scroll down, you'll see your project timelines right here. So in my case, I have no current activity in this time frame. You can also see your activity right here. You'll also see your profit and loss. You can also filter it using currencies right here and filter it with the dates. You can also see time track right here. So this may vary because I've chosen time tracking as my main focus on Hello Bonsai. So if you did not choose that, I think this will not look like this. But basically, it has the same features. So now right here in the top left, we can select client management. So as you can see, you will see all of your clients right here. They also have sample client. So when we click on our sample client, we will see the client information. As you can see, you will see their recent projects, notes, the details, their address, and all of their information, such as their contacts, the billing, the forms, so on. And now, of course, you can add new clients by clicking on the new client button in the top right. So simply add the company name, contact name, email, and of course, you can add tags to filter them out. Next is contacts. So just the same as clients, they have sample client, sample contact right here. So to add a new contact, simply click on new contact right here in the top right. Now just enter their name, their email, and what client. So what is, so as you can see, when you click here on new client, you can add there, you can show optional fields like their job title and phone number. Next is proposals. So from here, you can create proposals for your clients and contacts. Next is contracts. So again, you can simply create contracts right here. So contracts and simple e-signing. So use standardized contracts or create a completely custom one. So enter your payment terms and scope and send it to be e-signed. Next is forms. So from here, you can create client forms. So you can create forms and surveys for everything from your contact form to a project and survey, all integrated with your existing clients and projects. Next is scheduling. As you can see, you can schedule right here. You can schedule new meetings, new events. So you can remove the back and forth with clients by providing a simple way to book appointments with you based on your schedule and availability. So if you want to schedule, click here on Get Started. Next is services. So from here, you can see the service library. So services can be used to quickly create new proposals and invoices, as well as power more automation. So to add service, just click on Add Service, and you'll see a bunch of different templates right here, such as coaching sessions, 3D design, 3D modeling architecture, and so on. Now let's go to Client Portal. So from here, this would be your client portal. So if you want to connect with your clients, you can simply use this link to share with your clients. So you can simply copy this and send it to them. You can also personalize your client portal by adding a custom header or just simply selecting these designs. So now let's go to project management. Well, from here, you'll see all of your projects. So you can organize your projects through here. So projects are used to organize all your ongoing work. Within a project, you can send a proposal, contract, and as many invoices as you need. Next is tasks. So from here, you can add task management for projects. So you can create tasks for your projects with details and due dates. Reorder them as needed and manage the upcoming to-dos you have planned. So here in tasks, you can also add collaborators such as your workmates or team members. So when you have the tables right here, you can of course add your team member to that tasks and they can revisit and work with you in that specific task. Next is time tracking. So you can track the time you work, add notes and variable hourly rates, add them to an invoice to create a timesheet that your client can see. And next is timesheets. Of course, you can create your timesheets right here. So you can add hours. So now you want to add your existing project, add the tasks that you created, and add the notes if you want. And from here, you can select the billing. Is it billable or non-billable? And add the billable rate. Next is resourcing. So from here, you will see all of this calendar for your work. So as you can see, and now you can add allocations. Next is let's go to financial management. So from here, you will see invoices, incomes, expenses, and bookkeeping. So to make your work a lot easier, if you're still quite confused, you want to go back to your main dashboard and just follow all of the steps first to get the hang of how you can use Hello Bonsai. So simply do this first, add your company details, invite your team, create a project, create a task, and add a time entry. So that's basically all of the features of Hello Bonsai. So in conclusion, Hello Bonsai CRM is the perfect tool for freelancers and small business owners who want an all-in-one platform to manage contracts, clients, projects, invoicing, and payments. Its simple interface and robust features make it easy to stay organized and professional. So by automating repetitive tasks like invoicing and follow-ups, you can focus on what you do best, delivering great work to your clients. So that's basically all it is for now in this video. So I have walked you through all of the features of Hello Bonsai. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.